बंकु भाईना केदारनाथ पंडा बात दिन 11:10:45 भोग बाहर प्रथम भोग आनंद बजार आसिकी 11 टू आरंभ होची बिक्री
आगे
11 टू सरला पर्यंत 2-3टा पर्यंत आगो कोन बात नहीं
ठीक है
सादा अन्न
हाँ
घी अन्न मिठा अन्न अन्न 3 प्रकार डाली डालमा बेसर शाग महुर सोला पोटल दही पाचेड़ी
Friends, I am now at Ananta Vasudev temple. Ananta Vasudev temple is the only Vishnu temple in Ekapan Kshetra which was built in the 13th century CE. As you know, Bhubaneswar has been a seat of Shiva, Lord Shiva and Parvati, but there were also Vishnu temples constructed towards the end of temple building activities in Bhubaneswar or in Ekamra, and that was in 13th century. So by the time 13th century or before that in 12th century, you know, the cult of Jagannath in Puri was taking form. So the Shiva cults, the Shiva cults was being replaced with the worship of Vishnus. So that is why what you see in Lingaraj temple also, it's a combination of Harihara, means both Vishnu as well as Shiva are worshipped in Lingaraj temples. Here at Ananta Vasudev temple, which was built by Queen Chandrika Devi, a queen of Ganga dynasty in 13th century, she had built this temple for Lord Krishna, Balaram and Subhadra. So this is the only temple of Lord Vishnu in the Ekamra Kshetra. And this temple, this is the only temple of Bhubaneswar dedicated to Lord Vishnu. You have all the 4 elements of Kalingan temple of architecture. So you have the majestic Bimana, which you can see here. In front of that you have the frontal porch, the Jagamohana, which is built in the Pidha style. And then you have the Nata Mandapa as well as Bhoga Mandapa. So the Nata Mandapa is the hall of performance by the Devadasis for the Lord. So inside Ananta Vasudev temple, you have Lord Krishna, his elder brother Balaram and his sister Subhadra, and they are worshipped here. Like Jagannath temple at Puri, where you have Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, here you have Lord Krishna, Balaram and Subhadra. So photography is not allowed to take pictures of the deities. Another interesting aspect of this temple is that here also Mahaprasad is offered like Jagannath temple at Puri to the Lord, and which is cooked food. And now that we have shown you the temple kitchen here at Ananta Vasudev temple, where the food is being prepared in the traditional way for last 700 years. So which will be also seeing now how the food is prepared and then how the food is served to the devotees. So there is Anand Bazaar like at Jagannath temple, similar to like what we have at Jagannath temple, where the food, the prasad, the Mahaprasad, once it is offered to the Lord, then it is distributed, by selling.
ଆମର ଏଠି ଅନ୍ତବାସୁଦେବ ମଠେଇ ଦିନକୁ 8 ଥର ଭୋଗ ଲାଗି ହୁଏ। ଭୋଗ ଲାଗିରେ ଅନ୍ନ ମହାପ୍ରସାଦ, ମିଠା ଡାଲି, ବେସର, ମହୁର, କ୍ଷୀରି, ଖଟା। ପୁରୀରେ ଯେମିତି ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ପାଖରେ 56 ଭୋଗ ଏଠି ବି ସେମିତି 56 ଭୋଗ ହୁଏ। ଆଉ ଦିନକୁ 8 ଥର ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଭୋର 5ଟାରୁ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା 7ଟା ଯାଏଁ ନୀତିକାନ୍ତି ଯେମିତି ହେବା କଥା ସେମିତି ହୁଏ। ଲାଷ୍ଟକୁ ମଗଜି ଭୋଗ ହୁଏ।
ये जो मूर्ति देखुंत ये हेले अनंत वासुदेव मूर्ति। ये प्रथम देवल है ये थिले ये तापर मूर्ति खराब हो जाए ये शिला खराब हो जाए पुणी आहरी नूतन विग्रह स्थापन करागला। तापर भितर भी आ गोटे मंदिर अच्छी ता भीतर भी पर जो मूर्ति सी क्षण होगला ता भीतर भी सी शिला अच्छा एवं जी अच्छा से 1278 शताब्दी ये जो ख्रीष्टाब्द से मूर्ति स्थापना कराई।
So you can see here before me, these are the pots, earthen pots, which would be used for cooking the Mahaprasada. These are also called kuduas in Odia, and these are prepared by the kumbharas or the potters. And there is a dedicated street in Bhubaneswar. Of course, now most of the kumbharas or the potters have left their occupations and they are into some other occupations. And these kuduas now are sourced from Puri, the abode of Lord Jagannath, because nowhere in Bhubaneswar now the Kumbhara street is almost gone, as I said. And in Puri, of course, the tradition is different, where the kuduas are offered to Lord Jagannath. And these kuduas are just not meant for cooking. Even the food is also stored and supplied to the devotees in these kuduas. So these are various kinds of rice you see here the sweet rice which is called kanika and khichdi, and then also apart from that you have the normal rice, and then you have various kind of lentils based dishes, like for example you have dalma which is referred to, then you have mohuro and besoro which are based on vegetables, and then you have also chola chana, and the last one which you see here is called pachadi, which is made out of yogurt and different dry fruits. Then they are also added there, and then you have the payasam or the kheer.
माता मही प्रमाता वृद्ध प्रमाता बहनों गोकुला देवी मातृमाता प्रमाता